Welcome students, this is our spoken English continued. Today we are discuss the chapter negation. What is the meaning of negation? Negation means negative type of sentence. Means those things we should not do. Okay, this type of sentence. जैसे you different type of sentence I have sent till today. So you watch my channel every day. If you have not done my subscribe my channel, you subscribe now. Okay, and again you watch my channel. There will be no complaint that our children cannot speak English, or you speak first. You speak with your children. If you will speak with your children, why the children cannot speak? They can speak from the very beginning, from childhood. In the family, in your family, you are speaking Odia, so children can catch easily. If you will speak English from the beginning, they can catch easily. Okay, so watch my channel every day. You don't forget to speak or to talk with your children English. Okay, so today's chapter is negation. What is the meaning of negation? Negation means those things we should not do. Okay, ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ମାନିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ means negative sentence, not we should do, it is a negative sentence. Okay, जो नहीं करना चाहिए, जो फास्ट ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ମାନିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ. Okay, I cannot accept what you say. I cannot accept what you say. ମୁଁ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ. I know nothing in this connection. Okay, I know nothing in this connection. ମୁଁ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ means I know nothing. ବିଷୟରେ means connection. Okay, so ଏଭଳି କୁକର୍ମ ଆଉ ଥରେ କର ନାହିଁ. ଏଭଳି କୁକର୍ମ ଆଉ ଥରେ କର ନାହିଁ. Don't do such mischiefs. କୁକର୍ମ mischiefs. ଏହା ଏପରି ନୁହେଁ. It's not so. It's not like that. You can see, you can say two types. It's not so. It's not like that. ତାକୁ ଛୁଟି ମିଳିପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ. ତାକୁ ଛୁଟି ମିଳିପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ means he could not manage to get leave. He could not manage to get leave. ମୋର କିଛି ଅଭିଯୋଗ ନାହିଁ. I have no complaints. Okay, ମୋର କିଛି ଅଭିଲାଷ ନାହିଁ. I don't have any complaint. I have no complaint and I don't have any complaint. ऐसे भी हो सकता है. ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ. I don't know. ମୁଁ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ. I cannot do it. ମୋତେ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. I don't want anything. किछि नुहे. हम लोग जो उड़िया में बोलते हैं वी आर सेइंग किछि नुह. किछि नुह में नथिंग, एनीथिंग. ओके, नथिंग ऐसे नथिंग. किछि नुह मीन्स नथिंग. किछि मीन्स एनीथिंग. ओके, सो ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏ କାମ ହେବ ନାହିଁ. I cannot do this. ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା କାମ ହେବ ନାହିଁ means I can not do this. I do ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ହେବ ନାହିଁ ମାନେ I cannot do this. Okay, so ମୁଁ ମାନେ ନାହିଁ. I don't obey. I don't agree. ଏହା ସତ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ. That's not true. ତୁମେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଅନୁମତି ଦେବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ. You should not allow this. ऐसे you have to watch my channel every day. Those want to speak English, those people, so you watch my channel every day. you know, if any sentence you have to speak, first you have to speak the subject, then verb, then object. So negative sentence you are always using. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି, I don't know, ମୁଁ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ, I cannot do this. Okay, ମୋର ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, I don't want. Okay, so ତୁମେ ଅନୁମତି ଦେବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ. You should not allow this. Okay. So watch my channel every day and subscribe my channel if you have no doubt. If you have doubt, you give comment in comment box. Thank you.